Let's take a look at this InLight LED bathroom vanity mirror. It came very well packaged. This is a 30 by 36 inch mirror with a touch switch, and it has a frameless LED design. This mirror is quite heavy with an all metal design. It mounts flush up against the wall, which means you're going to need to do some electrical work. And if you're not comfortable, I highly recommend hiring an electrician to do this part. It comes with all the hardware required for the electrical. It also comes with a template and the mounting bracket. Here is the mounting bracket. It's a very simple design. Once it's mounted on the wall, you can hang the mirror either horizontally or vertically. Here is my bathroom wall. I have cleared the space for this mirror, and I do have an electric receptacle on the wall. Now before you start working on the electrical, make sure you have turned off the breaker. You can use an outlet tester just like this one, or a non-contact voltage tester, just to make sure you've turned off the right breaker and there's no voltage. I'm going to start off by removing the cover, then the two screws holding the outlet inside. Once you pull out the outlet, you can now remove the wiring from the sides. All you need is a ground, neutral, and hot wire. Let's go ahead and mount the bracket. I'm going to use this torpedo level to make sure it's leveled, and screw it into place. Now it's time to lift the mirror up on top of the counter and quickly connect the wiring from behind. It helps to have another person to help hold the mirror while you do the electrical. Alright, let's turn on the breaker and see how this works. There's a lit up touch switch on the bottom right. By simply touching it, you can turn on the LEDs. The LEDs turn on and off as you touch the switch. You can also touch and hold it to dim it. I really love this mirror and I like the color of the LED. It dims to a very low level as well as brightens to a very high level. It is a very practical mirror and it looks really nice in my bathroom. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.